in order to make sure that we install Microsoft Office 365. We need to make sure that we do not have any other Microsoft Office suite that is currently installed in our computer. So the first step you are going to do is to go to the control panel, open your control panel, then click uninstall a program, look for Microsoft Office. You can say I have Microsoft Office plus 2021. You may have different versions of Microsoft Office. Make sure you do not have any. So I'm going to first uninstall that, then we shall continue. Uninstall. After uninstalling, we shall move on to the next step. So first do that. First uninstall the Microsoft Office that you have, then you continue to the next step. Now we are done uninstalling Microsoft 2021 that I had installed. Those of you who cannot access the control panel, you can just click your Windows button still, type the word control panel. You can also access control panel from that option there. Okay, now let us head on and continue to install. You're going to head on and go to Google Chrome. I'll click my Google Chrome. Then type in Microsoft 365 Dev Center. Hit enter. Then you want to go to this first link, Microsoft Developer Program, Microsoft 365 Dev Center. Click that one. Then look for Join Now. Click on Join Now. Okay, then if you have an account, you can sign in. In case you don't have an account, or the best choice, you can create a new account. I would recommend creating a new account. Create one. Then use any email that you want. You can also use a phone number, or if you don't have an email, you can create one email address. But if you have, you can use your Gmail emails, you can use your Microsoft emails. So I'll just bring my email. So I'll just type in my email. Then I'm going to click next. Then you're supposed to create a strong password. I'll create one password. Then next. Then I'll save that. Check your email to get the verification code and use the verification code to continue. I'll fill in the verification code that was sent to my email. Then I'll click next. Then you're supposed to first verify that you're not a robot. Go through that step of verifying. Next. When you finish, you're going to have a verification process. It may take some time to verify through because they are quite a tricky captures. Okay, so now when you come, we shall have this page. We are going to register. So select your region. Select the region you're in right now, or the region you want to use. Okay, maybe I'll select Thailand. The company name, just type any company name. The language, I'll use English. Then I accept. Then click next. Then applications, you can use anyone you want. You can choose any. Okay, I will just go for maybe personal projects. Then I'll click next. Then what areas of Microsoft 365 development are you interested in? Maybe I'll go for Microsoft Teams. Then I'll say save. Now, when you come to this, they're saying set up your Microsoft 365 sandbox. You can see that we have 90 days that will be renewable after 90 days. So after the 90 days, you'll be given a renewable subscription, or you can renew after 90 days. So don't worry about that. So just click instant, leave it on instant, then go to next. Now, when you come to this panel, you have to choose your region. I'll go ahead and choose Asia Pacific, that one. Then the admin username, I'll use Combliss. Then the admin password, make sure you create a strong password of up to 15 characters. Okay, and it has to contain all the characters that they want. It has to be very strong. In case there are not 15 characters, then you won't be allowed to continue. Okay, then they are saying use alternative passwords, but you can leave that unchecked. Just click continue. I'll save. Then you're supposed to enter your country. So you're supposed to enter your phone number in order for them to verify and send you a code. So I'll enter my phone number. When you finish entering your phone number, you say send code. They will send a code to your phone number. They're sending a code. Then they're saying add a phone number for security reasons or what. Please go and check your phone number and see if you have received any code. So I'll enter my code 87720. Then I'll hit set up. So they're setting up my subscription now. And then you're going to have to come to your dashboard. In case you don't see a screen like this, or you're not seeing any screen like this, maybe you can click on settings, try and go maybe to profile, then you can click on dashboard again. Then you're going to have a screen like this one. So what you're going to do, you're going to go and click on go to subscription. So when you click on go to subscription, you're going to need to enter your password, the password that you created. Remember, the other long password of 15 characters is the password that you are going to use to sign in. You can save that. Then you can ask me later in case you don't want to go through the authentication. But if you have the application on your on your mobile phone installed, you can go through that process. I will say ask later. Then stay signed in. You can click yes. So now what we have welcome to Microsoft 365. So you can go next, tick. Okay, now this is a Microsoft 365. Next. They're showing you how to use the how to use the application. Done. So now we are going to install our application. So what we are going to do, we are going to go to install apps. Click on install apps, then click Microsoft 365 apps. Click that one. Then it is going to start downloading. You can see it is downloading from here. You got it. When it is done, Office setup done, double click to install, run, yes. Now we are installing Microsoft 365. So we are getting things ready. Okay, Microsoft, okay. Now they're saying, please stay online while Microsoft 365 and Office downloads. So I'm going to pause my video, then I'll be back when it is done downloading. Now our application has finished installing. You can see that application is finished installing. You are all set. So I'll close this. Okay. When you are done installing, first go to your account here, then view account. Then you are going to need to copy this email address, because you're going to need this email address to sign in into your Microsoft 365 application, Office, Excel, and maybe PowerPoint. Copy that email address, and remember the password you created. The password was for the 15 characters. Okay, not the one that you use, the account you use. No, for this one that we created, the second password you input. So I'll go to Microsoft Word. Open Microsoft Word. Okay, now they're going to prompt you to sign in. So I'll click sign in. remember to use that email address. Okay, I'll paste my email address there, then I'll go to next. Then you're supposed to enter the password with the 15 characters, the one that we created for this email address. Okay, then I'll say sign in. Then you can say ask later for authentication. Then when you go to this step, please, you want to choose the option for sign into this app only, because if you don't do that, then Windows is going to log you into this account they created, which we do not want. So the best option should be no sign into this app only, because we want to use this for only Microsoft Word, maybe Excel, maybe PowerPoint, only 365 applications. So I'll go for that option. Okay, now we are set. So you can go to options and check out and see. You can go to file, more. I'll go to account. Okay, now in case you have this, you can check and see that our email address is this one. See that one? But in case you have maybe another email address logged in, maybe you have multiple email addresses for Microsoft that are logged in and you're not getting the 365, you might want to come and look at these updates. So like these options, switch license, manage account. That's why you change. That's why you're supposed to change. You sign out, then you log in a new one. Okay. Okay, I'll go back. This is our 365. Thank you for watching our video presentation. Please, in case you have any questions, you can put them in the comment section. I'll get back to you. Thank you. Goodbye.